got Silent Killer coming up next. Yeah, I think he's gonna be able to make a full pass on street tires. Well, they need to drag the track again and put some more of their buddies glued from college.
I've been subscribing to you. You want me to subscribe again?
Yeah, I like
see how I do that.
I like redouble subscribing, y'all. I be passing that card could have been for your uncle, man.
Oh,
give it to your uncle.
Yeah,
your uncle ain't got it. Yeah, we trying to get uncle to subscribe, everything. Yeah, what Silent Killer gonna do, y'all? Here we go. Here we go. Well, Demonology is spinning, so it's enough for him. That air on that turbo sucks. Not a good burnout. Like them. Hey y'all, they microphones up here that messed up. So while it's messing up, y'all hit the like button. It'll be looking funny when under half, 257 watching and 120 likes. Like I know. Oh, this thing won't crank. How did it mess up that fast? Alrighty guys, you got about 15 minutes. Intimidated, y'all. Demonology look good. He's still around a 10.7. So I guess it's doing something. Look out, man. You on my YouTube channel?
No.
Well, this is it right here.
Alright, bro. Check it out.
Look out, racing.
Alright. You like it, man?
Yeah. You want to put your shout out in?
Nah.
Oh,
okay. Actually, yeah. You know what?
Yeah, go on, put it in.
Follow LBZ_Jose on Instagram.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway pretty soon for some rock lights.
Yeah.
You know what those are?
Rock lights on top of the car?
No, rock lights that want to go under the fender.
Oh, no,
on
I
the
ain't know
trucks.
about them.
They're like for show truck stuff, like shit like that. Yeah.
Okay, he finna be giving away some, y'all.
They're 8-piece.
8-piece rock lights. Go on your truck, show truck. He finna be giving them away on his Instagram.
Yeah, bro.
Y'all get on there.
Take care.
and try to win. And then that way we can share it, y'all. Y'all win and me and we share because I put you on. Damn, what's going on over here? It sound like Funky Town. Okay. Everybody ain't nothing going on up here. We need action now. Look at you on my. Yeah, I'm outside today. I'm trying to get some footage. We got Mod the Fame right here. Demonology right there.
Who is this?
I don't know who that is. Who?
Wait.
Who is this right here?
Look out.
Tell me what's the name of it.
No, look out.
Battle
Names
Cat.
all over.
Battle Cat.
Go ahead, look at it.
With the supercharged.
Look at the
Power Ranger on the side.
Okay. Black Battle Cat.
Take your wig off and dust it.
Black Battle Cat.
Don't dust that wig. I'm tired. I know it's hot.
Okay, we got the Black Battle Cat. Oh, yeah, they should be on my channel. Hey, look out, y'all on my YouTube channel. Here, this here right here, Lookout Racing, man. Y'all check it out. Going down one time for the one time.
Y'all fuck with my channel.
Yeah, he wanna let
CP
y'all
official
know.
out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Go tap in real quick.
Already,
Yeah,
go
we got
tap
all the-
in
all the
real
Hell-
quick.
All the Hellcats, all that shit.
All the Hellcats, all that
Yeah,
shit over
yeah.
there, y'all. That's the Intimidator.
Oh,
They say that's demonology, little cuz.
We need a picture, man. Look
Okay,
out.
come on, I'm ready.
Hold on.
I'm ready. Let me get up a bit. Hey! Yeah.
Thank you. You got
Already.
merch?
Yeah, in the caprice.
You got it in there?
Yeah, I got it in the trunk right now. 20 for the shirt. And 20 for the
When you
hat.
going over there?
Now, you ready? Let's go. That's. Let's see. XRP where it's at tonight. What happened?
I said, he was at the Yellow Belly
Yeah.
Thursday.
Yeah, I was there. You was there?
No, I ain't go. I wanted to go because I knew you was going to be there.
Oh, okay.
Look out.
Look out, look out. Trying to see something.